Ekuruleni podcast MK siyagwaza siyajikijela waza mkhonto gwaza angifuna ukwazi ngibambe manje namhlanje ile out there ayesokhoza kunini ngimfuna lo muntu lo hey mara mina ngazi ngimbize ngo-honorable mara ngimbize ngo-DJ mara ngimbize ngani
many talents.
How are you guys?
I'm sitting like a lemon soul and a color.
If you're so happy that finally I got
My honor to be here.
so honorable.
I can call you Mr. Mutahong or Honorable Mutahong. Yeah, yes. Or you can call me Comrade.
Comrade, how was your what can you say about yourself? But last time you were very good. Your sport, agriculture, or what you would what you matching, when you want to talk, hey, no honorable. Hey, let me malay. I got to know what I would do.
Yes, that is nothing. Yes, that is nothing. For us, we just remind you we don't need our MPs, our celebrities. We need to come back to the ground. Our MPs must stay in parliament, but we also need to work the ground as much as we can. Remember how to go to so that's why we are here to just our to entertain ourselves, to DJ, and to make sure that our days to the people stresses, you know, we can prove stress again. We also need a moment where my will be stressed, you know, because of it's can't use so much to get local government elections. So we need to go to local government elections with sober mind. So this initiative that you guys have done today, it's a very big up to you guys, and Nyaibong important for doing it. Hopefully in Naganyama regions, but they will follow the same sequence because of Abanye to stress, we know we go organization, but we still becoming one, we unify ourselves. That unity is very important.
And looking at the arts industry and sports, especially in South Africa, as told that it's like our government
I would say we have a minister that doesn't have experience and expertise. Yeah. You cannot have a minister in that sector. We have a minister, maybe ATM, maybe interest spinning cars, F1s, and F1s.
I remember at some stage he tried to legalize this thing here,
spinning, you know. So we don't need it. So for us, if we look at our people spending, it's all about development. We need to start from the grassroots and develop sport as a culture. What they've done, the government of GNU is they've eliminated sports arts and culture in our schools. You understand? So we don't have sports arts and culture in our schools. So how do we expect to keep Abantwana based on a So let's think about a boy child. Let's think about a girl child. Prostitution. Alcohol. You understand? So Aksana Bay, you understand? So with us, we know where we're taking whatever comes to sport and culture. That's our President Zuma took a person with an expertise and experience from Parliament because of them they understand that they act. You understand? So we're here for that. To say, guys, let's build this thing that President Zuma used to give us. President Zuma gave us in 1910. We can play. You understand? So that we can play when I South Africa 90% and play international 10%. That's the message. You understand? After that, it was very good. But now we're trying to write a bill about that. We need to revive them. We need South African people. Some of us to give. That's why I'm going to talk about the I want to have a house of so we have the presidents who are for doing that. Things are not good, but they will come right. We're fighting for them.
Last question.